Best Choice Products presents the FPV Wi-Fi drone with dual control options. A built-in 2-megapixel Wi-Fi camera captures live video and pictures on smartphones and tablets. Pilot straight from mobile platforms or with the included 2.4 GHz controller with push buttons for trimmers, fine-tuning, high and low speed, and accelerator. The head-free mode is perfect for beginners and enables easy control for the drone no matter the orientation and position mid-flight. The 360 conversion allows for impressive flips and 3D rolls while up in the air. Once done, the head-free mode enables the one-key return for the aircraft to land at your location. The 4-channel body features a 6-axis gyroscope system and a built-in compass for flight stabilization. This fun drone starter kit includes spare parts, 2 rechargeable batteries, and charging cord. Take flight today with the FPV Wi-Fi drone.